Hi everyone, my name is Lana Lin. For my CS50 final project, I created a cryptocurrency trading simulator called Bit50. It is a web-based platform that allows users to create their own accounts and trade cryptocurrencies in real time. All the transactions are recorded and each user can track their own portfolio performance. All the data and cryptocurrency API is provided by CoinGecko. This is the main page of my project Bit50. You can scroll down to see the top 7 coins by market cap. And when you scroll down further, you would see a top 7 trending coins. Now back to the top. Once you register, you can log into the platform. This is the portfolio page showing the position of each coin that the user virtually invested in. This is the name of the coin and symbol, the number of coins, price, and the total value. The user can find out more information about the coin that they would like to invest in by clicking on quote. Type in the symbol of the coin that they would like to find out more information about. Here, this is the information of Chainlink, showing the coin name, symbol, price, percentage change in the past 24 hours, volume, market cap and rank, circulating supply, and the total supply. The user can proceed with the purchase of the coin by clicking on Buy. Here, the transaction is successful. Also, the same way, I would like to sell 5 Link coin. Again, the transaction is successful. I can check the transaction record by going to history. Here, the purchase of 10 coins of Chainlink and selling of 5 coins of Chainlink is shown in the transaction. The platform also allows the users to add cash into the portfolio. Here, I would like to add 10,000 US dollar of virtual money into the portfolio. Here, the adding of fund is successful. Now this is done and I would like to log out. This is Bit50. Thank you.